Welcome back to my more important analysis videos on Thursday 26th of April with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at euro dollar, which is in focus. Obviously we've got the ECB today, and euro dollar is under pressure coming into the ECB. Not necessarily this morning specifically, it's about 10-15 pips higher on the day. However, that 21.55 key support of the March low is under pressure. Got tested yesterday and it's just hanging on at the moment, but you look at these momentum indicators, RSI below 40 at 37, hasn't been sort of below 42 since November. MACD lines now starting to gain traction to the downside. Stochastics in negative configuration. This all points towards a downside break, really, and is not really boding especially well going into the ECB. Now you can see here, if I zoom in here, you've got sort of a basis of resistance around 2250 area, 2240, 2250 as the recent sort of a couple of highs and those older lows, 2240, and that is actually reflected in this hourly chart where you've got a pivot pretty much bang on that level, 2245, 2250. So you do have the market, which is now increasingly correctively configured. Look at those RSI, the RSI and the hourly chart failing at 60 and turning lower. MACD lines crossing lower and neutral yesterday. That doesn't look especially good, and it doesn't look as though it's going to be sort of recovering especially well at the moment. So I think rallies are being increasingly seen as a bit of a chance to sell, really. You do also have the prospect of a downtrend here, which we are testing and still holding at the moment. So yeah, I think that there is still a sort of an attitude of selling into strength, as we have seen in the last sort of week or so on euro dollar, and ultimately that doesn't bode well for 21.55, does it? A breach of that would open 2090, which is an old pivot, old breakout, 2092 back there in September, and then subsequently again 2090, and then below that you're looking at 1915 area. So there is some downside move that could easily be seen if we do break that level of 21.55, and the momentum indicators certainly do suggest that as well. So today, volatility around the ECB, but yeah, looking a little bit well, negative, I think, for the euro at the moment. For the time being, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.